Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Excuse me. This is a continuation of how to read the screen or the display of a digital volt ohm meter. DVOM, Delta Victor Oscar Mike. Abruptly, we got cut off on video 1. That's my fault. I hit the wrong button. So we're back on the fluke. All right, here we go. So some of the displays. All right, see that capacitor? That's, we will be checking our AC capacitors, run start motor capacitors, even capacitors on control boards and everything like that. Remember, before you check, you have to discharge. This is the frequency, like generators and 60 hertz coming into your coach on your AC line. Very important, okay? They got DC, AC. So let's put it over on frequency, HZ. See right there, got a little lightning bolt, hertz, auto range. Not a bad little meter. All right, so put you on pause. We're going to look at another meter. Okay, this is a real cheap one. I gave like 80 of these away. But what I don't like about them, watch. I don't see nothing that displays a battery. It's actually, I think, kind of right there. I got another one. Let's see what this one does. Let me see. I want to hit the backlight. Yeah, see? That's on, but I got hold on. That's what that is. It's an H. See, it kind of looks like an H for hold. So I can take a reading and hold it and write it down. So this doesn't really have a battery symbol. I don't like this meter. You know, they're around. Same thing again, though, you know. Once again, there's DC. Got little dots with a straight line volts. All right, 200 millivolts, 2 volts, 20 volts, 200 volts DC, 600. Obviously off. Now, this is 2 million ohms, upside down horseshoe, right? 200,000 ohms, 20,000 ohms, 2,000 ohms, 200 ohms, and continuity. Beep. Now, I just don't like continuity checks because you can have 10-strand wire. Right, most of your common wires that are in there are 10 to 14 strands of wire. You could have 8 of them broke, and the meter will go beep, continuity. And you think you got a good wire. Wrong. You need to do a voltage drop check across it. I'll be showing you that later. But today is all about different multimeters, how they display their screen, how the symbols are, what they mean. So here we go. So we showed you these meters, right? They're fair, they're backlight. It's a Wii Pro, 10 amp max. It's 500 milliamp max fused, all right? Down inside. There was the fluke. I think this is 80, 90 bucks. It's a pretty nice one. And then this one here, you can buy at Lowe's or Home Depot, right? Pretty nice. And it's an AC clamp. And then what I got is the NCV, right? You know what the NCV is? It's right here, that little dub. Now, this even got a light. Watch, there you go. Hold on, wait, help to turn it on. Wait a minute. There we go. There's a display, backlit, right? There, got the flashlight. Pretty neat, right? We'll go over this AC clamp, but we got the NCV, no contact voltage tester. All right, put that on there. All right, EF, NCV, APO. Let's go over here, have a little fun with it. I got all kind of meter leads sticking together. Let me see. And getting stuck on I'm under my canopy or whatever you call it, lean-to. Here we go. Let's see if it'll pick up a little bit in here. There you go. See, hey, alert, it's live. Right here. See? It's live, so just let you know. Now, I've seen these things. There'll be like 30, 40 volts AC in the circuit, and it won't pick it up. I like measuring, but it's just a quick check. All right, so this freshly cut yard. Here we go again. Like I said, we just got rid of a couple RVs, but that's my backyard there for you to park. It's all graveled. There's sewage back there. Right there, the lid. There's 50 amp water and sewage back there. All right. Once again, thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Give me a thumbs up. There will be continuation videos on how to use the multimeter in several modes. Today was just screen display. There's 2 of these videos. Thank you very much.